Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need a clean, dry wall and the sticker ready. Start now. First, wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol so adhesion is optimal. Measure and mark lightly with a pencil and use a 1/2 level to ensure straight placement. Peel only the top quarter of the backing. This gives control. Align the exposed edge to your marks, hold the sticker taut but not stretched, and press the top edge down with your fingers so it adheres smoothly. This sets the anchor for the rest. Once anchored, continue peeling the backing slowly while you smooth the sticker down. You should use a plastic squeegee or a credit card wrapped in cloth. This prevents scratches. Work from the top toward the bottom, pressing firmly and evenly to force air out as you go. If the sticker has seams or patterns, align them gradually. Make tiny micro adjustments rather than big pulls, because overstretching distorts the design. Keep checking alignment against your pencil marks and correct gently while adhesive is still forgiving. Finish by running the squeegee over the entire sticker, focusing on edges and corners so no peel remains. If small bubbles persist, apply brief warm air at about 100 degrees from a hair dryer to relax the adhesive, then smooth again. Make sure not to overheat. Trim any excess material with a sharp blade for a clean edge and allow 24 hours before subjecting the area to heavy touch. If something goes wrong, lift the nearest edge slowly and reposition, or heat and press out trapped air. This usually solves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.